So, welcome friends, this is Aditya and today's topic is about Power BI. Very important concept is KPI. So, let's start the video. KPI means key performance indicator. So, KPI used for business quick decision and quick management of business. So, KPI is very important for business perspective as well as our job perspective. KPI concept based question are mostly used in Power BI. The KPI is small concept but the major role play in business for the quick decision of business. So KPI is key performance indicator. KPI is a metric or number which show the concept or the map of which performance are which end show. They're like the negative trend or positive trend. In the line chart, we have two type of trend like positive and negative trend. In the KPI, there are two colors. The green color show the business is right direction like a positive trend. In the KPI, we show the current value, targeted product of business. In the KPI, there are two type of concept like the target achieved or target is below complete or target completed or not. For example, we have 10 lakh our sales targeted for example our business we targeted 10 lakh sale per year. So our target achieved 9 lakh or below the target or above the target. The we achieved 9 lakh. The KPI show red flag, but the we achieved 11 lakh or 12 lakh or more than 10 lakh. So KPI show the green color arrow in our total sale. So KPI is very important for our job or business perspective, or in the job we interview question in the KPI are mostly used because KPI is a very important concept in Power BI. So KPI show monthly trend, monthly targeted, so yearly targeted, or our profit or our goal. So KPI means the concept we are targeting or we can achieve this our goal or our other concept like we can targeting this or we target or we achieve this. This is concept of KPI. So thank you for watching my video. This is for day and we meet again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.